Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about the best web browsers for privacy. So yeah guys, let's begin. The first web browser I think is good for privacy is Brave browser. It has a lot of ad blocking capabilities and can block a lot of ads and trackers, scripts, and there's so many capabilities in this browser. You don't need to enable settings to harden this. You don't need to harden this browser. It's already private by default. You just need to off on and off some settings, and that's all. It'll be a very good private browser here. So as we'll go to some websites, see its ad blocking capabilities. Like go to msn.com for example. msn.com. msn.com. Yeah. So here you can see it blocks a lot of ads and trackers. Like MSN has a lot of ads and trackers and it blocks it easily. See, so many things. I actually always put in aggressively block trackers and ads. I don't block scripts because then it'll break the website. But if you want, you can enable it and I put normal block filtering. If you want, you can even put aggressively block for fingerprinting. So see, it blocks a lot of trackers and ads. Like, only the trackers and ads are being blocked in this website. Like it shows whatever tracker ads. It also blocks. And settings is very simple. You need to just toggle settings here and there to make it very privacy friendly. It's already privacy friendly. You just need to on and off settings from your internet. So like I would always recommend to go to privacy security here and turn these two settings off. These are already enabled by default. If you turn these two settings off and this also settings off, you can make it this also private. Already private, but if you disable these settings, it will become more private. More private. That's all you have to do in Brave browser. It's already private by default most of the time. Next web browser I recommend for privacy is Firefox. Firefox is very good web browser for privacy, but if you harden it, like it has a lot of trackers, not trackers like the telemetry by default. Like go to privacy and security. I always put strict protection by the way. If you go down, yeah, like allow Firefox correct data. This is also actually turned on by default. I always tell you to disable this, and then you have to on and off here, and then you can make it super good for privacy. Like you can see, not default protection. A lot of settings from Firefox you can customize. If you're a person who likes customized browser too, very good for privacy, then I recommend Firefox for you. The other web browser I think is good for very good for privacy is actually LibreWolf. It is a hardened version of Firefox. If you don't want to harden Firefox and want a web browser is already hardened, then I will recommend LibreWolf. Also, I forgot that Firefox is not based on Chromium, and this is just based on Firefox. If you the only reason you don't want Brave is because it's Chrome based, and these two browsers are very good privacy in those regard, like LibreWolf and Firefox. The LibreWolf is also very good web browser privacy. It's already hardened by default. You don't need to toggle settings. It already has ad block on everything enabled. It's a very good web browser privacy. If you want to see its review is my channel. You can check it out. Also has Iridium web browser. It is also very good web browser for privacy. It's like, but you should put ads and ad block or something like that. Make it good for privacy. That's all you may have to do. Is already private telemetry is disabled. I think so. Also open source. Brave is open source. LibreWolf, Firefox are open source. It's also very good browser privacy to anyone who like what can I say? Want the browser exactly looks like Google Chrome. But I'll say even on Google Chromium is better than Iridium because it's much more reputable browser. It also open source like also exactly like Google Chrome and also gets regular updates. Like I don't know about Iridium's update cycle, but I know about it. On Google Chrome it gets regular updates, but it takes some time. But it takes I think it updates frequently than Iridium browser. So even on Google Chromium is a very good web browser privacy. I would recommend. So yeah, guys, these are the web browsers. Very suitable privacy for as a summary. If you want a web browser that's easy to use and you don't want to enable settings here and there, then I would recommend Brave. But you don't want to follow the Chromium monopoly, then I will go to Firefox. But you want the browser be hardened by default, then I will say to LibreWolf. And you want a browser that exactly looks like Google Chrome as private, then I will recommend on Google Chromium and Iridium browser, guys. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give me thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, guys. Okay, guys, bye.